Check out this 1965 Fastback Mustang. Just a gorgeous blue paint on this. It does look as good in person as it does in the videos and the pictures. And the best part about this is what you can't see, and that's what's under the hood. It's got a 302 stroker in it, dyno sheets on it, 390 horse, and a little over 400 pound-foot of torque. I mean, this thing is a beast. And even better yet, that's paired with a Tremec 5-speed. So this car will obviously get up and go. It's also a very nice running and driving car. Chrome torque thrust wheels, Ditto tires. By the way, that 302 stroker build has approximately 3,000 miles on it. So darn fresh engine. Black buckets. There's a Tremec 5-speed. A few aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. Aftermarket stereo. I'd almost call this car a little bit of a resto mod look. If you'd like to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. And again, this blue paint, that is a white stripe painted on there. It's not vinyl, it is paint. In case you were wondering, 65s and the fastbacks just look great. If you'd like to give us a call, question anything about this car, we'd sure be happy to help you, see if we can answer any questions you have. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Very straight car too. Take a look down the side of this. I mean, there's not real any ripples, kinks, not a bunch of body work showing. Very, very nice car. I'm going to go ahead and hop in here and fire it up for you so you can hear this thing run. Like I said, it's probably the best part about this car, and there's a lot of good things going for it. See the interior seats, 2+2, headliner. This is a car you can show, you can drive, do anything you want with it. All right. See the aftermarket gauge cluster, vacuum oil, water temp, tachometer. Warmed up here just a little bit. Slip around back so you can hear this. It's got a beautiful rumble to it. Listen to that 302 stroker. Like I said, if you'd like to know more about this car, give us a call, 507-386-1726. Or check out the underside pictures. Like to see the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback.